Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lori. If you are new here, welcome. I am glad you're here. If you're returning, thanks for being here. Today we are unbagging Ipsy for this month. I have two. This is a really huge bag. I feel like it's bigger, well, it is bigger than my head, but I feel like it's bigger than me, taller than me. So let's unbag these and see what we received. I'm hoping it was better than last month. Last month was a real dud. Oh, I have a brush. Yay. The theme for this month is magic, and oh, your magic. That's what it is. And of course it tells me what I have in the bag and what everything retails for. Of course, I will put the price down here of what the items retail for full price. It's just easier that way than to try and look at this since I don't have glasses on. So it says, poof, there it is, your 5 glam bag products valued at $50+ have magically appeared, ready for any vision you dream up. Funny that they mentioned vision since I can't see. So this is the glam bag. It retails for $12 a month. You get 5 deluxe size items in the bag, and you always get a cool cosmetic bag, whatever the design is for that month. Of course, this month it has different designs on it, makeup designs. It's got lips, lipstick. What else does it have? A brush, a heart, a moon, mascara, wand, and then on the back it says your magic. I received this beautiful green brush from, is it Slimis Glam? Yeah, Slimis Glam. It is a round blusher brush, so I'm excited for this brush. Green is my favorite color, so I will take Slimis Glam. I will take this brush any day because it's green, so I'm excited about that. Let's look in here and see what I received in my glam bag this month. Okay, this one is all packaged up nice and tight. So what is it? It looks like dental floss, to be honest with you. I don't know what it is. What are you? It's tiny. What are you? Why won't you open sesame? Oh my heavens. It is this teeny tiny eyeshadow. I'm gonna have to look here. It's an eyeshadow by Illamasqua, and it is in the shade Horde. Let's swatch it. And I do have this on from my last video, so I apologize for that. This is extremely creamy. Holy smokes, that is gorgeous. That is really, really pretty. Let's see what else we have. I have a Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. Yes, I love Bobbi Brown's mascaras. All the ones I've ever tried, I have loved, so I'm excited for that. Dang it. I received the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. We've had words about them sending me oil control products, and it just irritates me because I'm as dry as a desert, and they know that. Yet I got that, so I'm a little frustrated with that. I feel like, why fill out the questionnaire on our skin and preferences if they don't listen? This is why I quit getting them, for a time until I needed to come back, but it's frustrating. Okay, this one cracks me up. This is Essence's Pure Nude Highlighter, and it's in the shade Popping Champagne. Now, I do have an Essence highlighter. I'm not sure it's a pure nude highlighter, but these don't retail for much, so why would we get a sample size? Just asking. Maybe it's a full size and mine is just, they've downsized. So that is what it looks like. It's beautiful. I wouldn't be able to wear this as a highlighter. I can't pull off, a gold highlighter, and that's just a little too gold for me. So I would probably use this as an eyeshadow. So it's very pretty. So these are the items that I received in my glam bag. So let's look at what I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus retails for $25 a month. They have just changed over to these drawstring bags, which I love that they have made the change for these, because I have so much I can use these for. So I'm really glad they have made that switch. Let's look and see what I received. In the Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size items each month, and you get to pick 3 of the items, and then they surprise you with the other 2. So I do know what some of these items are in here, and I also have some add-ons. I'm not quite sure which ones are add-ons and which ones are from the bag, so I am just going to talk about each one of them. I received this Sure Medic As You Lean Soothing Cream. I believe this was an add-on because I wanted to try it to see if during a flare it soothed my skin. I'm all for finding out those things. I received a Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. I saw I was getting this. I was very unhappy because this is a mattifying powder, and again, because I'm as dry as a desert, it makes no sense that I would receive this, so I am going to pass this along. I'm not even going to open it up. I received a Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener, and this is in the shade Aurora. This was one of the ones that I chose because I've been using my other Brilliant Eye Brightener and really, really like it. So I wanted to try another one by them. This is not the same shade, I do know that. But that's it right there. It's a beautiful peach. Isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, that's pretty. I didn't know what shade it was. I just knew it wasn't the same shade that I already had. I picked this. This is the Lovecraft Beauty Highlighter Palette. And I picked it because my friend and I had talked about the Lovecraft cheek palette, and I think maybe she received this, and so I wanted to get it because I was using my cheek palette and loved it so much. I wanted to try this out and see what I thought of it. So we have Aurora and Borealis. So that's Aurora and that's Borealis. I'm running out of space on my hand. Very pretty. Look at that. Now this one again, maybe, I don't know. I'll have to play with them and see if I can pull them off on my cheek, but I don't think so. I don't look good with yellow highlighters. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just how it is. This is one I picked out. This is a Violet Voss lip gloss, and it's in the shade Dream. Dream. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. It's like a peach with gold glitter in it. That's pretty pretty. All right, Dream. I see you, Dream. This is from Misha Beauty. It's a nail lacquer. I think I picked this one. So there's 2 polishes in this box from Misha, and we have a clear polish, and then we have this beautiful, like, pale, it's like it has a purple hue to it. but it's really pale. That's pretty. So I've never tried anything from Misha, so I'm excited to try that. I wanted to try this Pistache skincare. It's a pistachio oil, pistachio body butter. So I have never tried pistachio oil, so I'm really excited to try this and see what if there's any hydrating properties, because if there is, I may buy a bottle of pistachio oil to incorporate into my skincare. So yeah, I wanted to try this out. And then I have one other item, and it looks like it is an eyeshadow. This is by Illuminati. I have never heard of them, and it's a beautiful quad. It's in the palette is called Secret Society. So that is what the shadows look like. Let's give them a swatch and see. They're really, really creamy. The shimmers are. The mattes are a little stiff, but that's okay. So that is Secret Society. That is really pretty, guys. That is really pretty. Really pretty. So those are the items that I received. I've never even heard anything about Illuminati. I've never heard of them. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm excited for all of them, to be honest, except maybe that Essence highlighter. I think that's just a little weird. That's me. But I'm excited for these items. So in my Get Ready With Me using my Ipsy items, we have quite a few of makeup products. So I'm excited for that. So that is it for today's video. It was kind of quick, and that's okay. But that's what I got from Ipsy. I'm not sure it's a good month. It's not a bad month, but I don't know if I'd say it was a good month since I got items that I can't use in my bags, but that's what happens sometimes when you get beauty boxes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What item did you like most out of what I received from Ipsy? I mean, I received a lot this month, but which item are you excited to see in action? I'm interested to know. Whether it's skincare or makeup. I don't think I got any hair care here, did I? Just let me know what you're interested in knowing about. That way I can pass on the 411 on it if you're interested. You guys, the links will be down below if you're interested in trying out Ipsy. I, of course, get something for that if you use that link. I have no clue what it is that I get. So if you want to use it, great. And if you would rather not, that's okay too. But if you're interested in Ipsy, make sure you go check them out and try them out. If you like samples, I think they're a great beauty box. If you don't like samples, maybe upgrade. That's it, guys. Please take good care. Be safe, be smart, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.